as security professionals, we're not always just catching up with what's happening in the cybercrime side of it. We're just trying to come up with new concepts that can prevent the attacks or can help users be protected. Like one concept that we recently developed is called Latch. It's a product, and what it does is it gives you control on when your credentials are working. Like, let's say you have this username and password and you have this form to type it in. It's 24 hours a day open. Right? What if you, from your mobile phone, could say, I'm only allowed to enter my username and password right now. Open it, type it, close it. That's Latch.